The quick inhale up, exhale out, inhale up, exhale out. Get that stance and jab it out. Here we go. We're not wasting any time. Out. Snap that punch, add a little squat. Punch down, good, good. Up, up, you got it, good. Out, 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 out. 8 more, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See that cross punch? So make sure you're pivoting off that back foot, strike, and then pull back in nice and fast. Do a little faster, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, use your whole body. 4, 3, 2, other side. Go slow and in, slow and in. Focus on your form, pivot off that back foot. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jabs. Next, next, step. Cross. 1, 2, then fast. 4. Oh, we're already going fast. 4, 3, 2, 1 to the front. 4, 3, 2 to the side. Go 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now move up. Go 4, 3, 2, cross it. 4, 3, good. 2, take it back. Go 4, 3, 2, cross. 4, 3, 2, move up. 4, 3, 2, cross. 4, 3, 2, very nice. Come back. 4, 3, 2, cross. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 1, 2, cross. 1, 2, come back. Jab, jab, cross, and cross. Up, up, cross, cross. Go back, and cross. Let's do a couple more times. Up, up, cross, and cross. Back, and cross, again. Up, up, and cross, back, and cross, and cross. And lift the knees up. Woo! I know, you should be feeling pretty warm. Yes? Me too. Now take that knee right here. Up, up. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. How about 4s? 4, 3, 2, and 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come on up. Cross it. 4, 3, 2, knee up. Go 8 times. 8, 7, 6. Nice and strong. 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. Come back. Go 4, 3, 2. Cross. 4, 3, 2. Knee up for 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up. 2. Cross 2. Knee up for 4. Good. You got it. Come back. Cross. Knee up. 4, 3, 2. Couple more times. Come on. Up. Cross. Knee. 4, 3, 2. Come back. Cross. Knee up. 4, 3. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Up. Cross. Knee up. 4, 3, 2. Go back. Cross. Knee up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squat. Woo! Nice work. Ha! Doing good. Make sure you're sitting back on those heels when you squat. If you can, touch your elbows to your thighs. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's add some kicks. Okay? Chamber out, chamber down. Okay? Chamber out, chamber down. Other side, chamber out, chamber down. Make sure you hit your chambers. Here we go. Squat, kick, squat, kick. If you're not sure of your form, watch my intro to kick get to practice all these moves and work on that form. Good. All right, let's do some hooks. Come side. Woo! You got it. These are particularly hard to get your form on. Hooks and uppercuts. Use your whole body. 4, 3, 2, squat, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick. Beautiful. Hooks, hook, hook. Pivot off that back foot. 4, 3, 2, squat, kick, down, kick, down, kick, down, kick. Woo! Hook. Let's do the last set. Woo! Go. 4, 3, 2. Let's add some uppercuts. Come up, up, up. Faster. Nice. Go slow. Up, up. Faster. Nice. Go. Up, up, up. And go. Good. Woo! All right. Now we're going to do a front kick and add a rear kick to it. When you do your rear kick, chamber in, chamber down. In, out, in, down. Other side, in, out, in, down. In, out, in, down. So you're going to either with a knee and a rear kick, or a front kick and a rear kick. Okay? All right. Give me some hooks. Woo! I hope you're practicing those. All right. Uppercuts. Good. Go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to go front kick, front kick, rear kick, or knee and back and knee. Either way. Okay, hook. Up. Up. Uppercuts. Other leg first this time. Good. That should be to your left. Up. Back. Up. Back. Up. And back. Hook. Up. Up. Nice. Uppercuts. Okay, right leg goes up, back, or a knee, you choose, and hook. Up, 2, 3, uppercut, kick, up, back, up, back, nice. Let's do one more set, each side. Kick it, up, back, up, back, up, back, up. Let's finish it. Up, woo. And those hooks, uppercuts. Kick it, up, back, up, back, up, back, up, and back. Give me a speed back. Up, 2, flutter, 2, up, 2, flutter. Good. Up, up, flutter, flutter, flutter. Up, up, flutter, flutter, flutter. Up, 2, 3, 4. Let's go slower. Right there. Uppercuts. Up, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, up. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Back to those squats. Woo! How you feeling? So good. Me too. Woo! Give me a squat.